Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn to generate random numbers in Excel 2007. And believe me, creating random numbers in Excel is really very easy. You can do this just by using a simple formula, RAND bracket start and then close and press enter, and you just need to drag to generate random numbers. And if you want to use other set of random numbers, you can just drag again and again. It will generate random numbers between 0 to 1 every time you drag it. And you can also use F9 of your keyboard to generate random numbers again and again. And there is another way to generate random numbers between two numbers. If you want, suppose if you want to generate 10 random numbers between 100 to 500, then you can use formula rand between bracket start the initial number, that is 100, and the maximum number 500, bracket close, then press enter and drag it for 10 cells, because you need 10 numbers, and if you need more then you can increase it. And again you can use the F9 to generate random numbers again and again. And also you can use drag to change these numbers. So you can see these numbers are changing. This way you can create random numbers between 0 to 1 if you want. And if you want, you have some specific numbers that you want to generate random numbers in between those two numbers, then you can use rand between as well. I hope you like the video. Thank you.